You see the char on that corn? This is gonna get the party started. So next, I'm making my sliders. So for my burger, I have 80-20 ground beef mixture. That's 80% lean, 20% fat. Jalapenos that I have taken the seed out. A little orange juice. A little lime juice. Some minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of my house seasoning. A teaspoon of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of cumin. All right, so this patty is super flavorful. I'm making sliders, so they're gonna be small patties. This mixture makes about 12 patties. So I'm making them about this thick. I wouldn't even say that's an inch thick, all right? Let's grill these burgers. All right, so I have oiled down my grill so the burgers don't stick. All right, so I am just gonna grill this for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I prefer my burgers cooked medium to medium well. All right, so while that cooks, I'm gonna get started on my Mexican-inspired street corn. I have some corn that I have taken off the cob. I'm gonna fry this up with a little salt and some garlic, but I'm gonna wait to add the garlic just until the end because I really want that garlic flavor to stand out. A good burger to me, not only is the patty well seasoned, the toppings also make it too, you know? Like, I'm gonna get a well-dressed burger. I want my burger dressed to the nines, honey. Okay, let me check my burger to see if it's time to flip. It is. Look at that. Got some nice grill marks on there. And the spices in the patty give it a really nice color. That green sticking out from that jalapeno. Beautiful. Okay, I also like to hit my burgers just before I take them off the grill with a little salt. So the burgers are most likely up to medium well now, so I'm just gonna take them off. Don't wanna overcook. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna turn my heat off so it doesn't cook anymore. You see the char on that corn? That's exactly what I wanted. I've been cooking it with a little bit of salt and that oil. Now I'm adding in that garlic. Turn the heat off, that's that. Now I'm making my dressing. I have some mayo here, a little lime juice, lime zest, a little cilantro, got some green onion, a little cotija cheese. It's salty, a little nutty. Mix that together. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. So now I'm gonna add my cooked corn. Give it a mix. I'm gonna add just a little bit more chili powder for some color and more smokiness. All right, let's build our burger. Get some sweet rolls here. Add a patty. Get a little piece of this bib lettuce. Close it up. And chow down. This is gonna get the party started.